Hello everyone, so this is episode I think 15. I never know what the number is, but this is the lip products declutter, and this is going to be part 1 of 2. I'm hoping maybe 3 videos because lip products are my weakness, so I have way too many. Just in this tower right here I have 90 lip products. Most of them are liquid lipsticks, but I do have some lipsticks and some lip glosses thrown in there. And then in 2 drawers that are down here that I'm going to show you in just a minute when I move the angle, I have way more. So in these 2 drawers I have mostly lip glosses, lip crayons, lip pencils, some liquid lipsticks. I mean, I have way too many liquid lipsticks, but this is what these 2 drawers look like. In this one I mostly have liquid lipsticks and then some lip crayons in here and then some lipsticks here. And then in the second one I have mostly lip glosses and then like some lip balms and some lip crayons back here. So I'm going to divide these videos in hopefully 2, and then one will be liquid lipsticks and lipsticks, and then the other one will be lip glosses and crayons and also lip pencils because I don't have too many of that. So I'm hoping I can do this in 2 videos, but as you can see I have so many lip products. I cannot get enough, but I definitely have to get rid of a ton of them. So hopefully I can do that in these declutter videos, which by the way are the last videos in my makeup declutter series. If you haven't seen the other ones, make sure to check them out. I just decluttered my palettes in the last 2 videos, which was pretty interesting. So anyway, without further ado, if you want to see what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of, then just keep on watching. So I'm actually going to start with this tower because in here I keep the lip products that I enjoy the most and that I reach for the most. And because of that, I don't think that I'll be decluttering any of these. Like, to be completely honest, I like all of these shades. I'm always rotating this. Like, I'm always taking out older things and putting in newer lip products. And so because of that, I know that what's in here I do use and I do enjoy. So I'm going to leave all of that. But I just wanted to show you what I have in here. So here are some Ofra liquid lipsticks, and then these are all Stila, and then these are also Ofra. These are just like their older packaging, which is smaller. That's why I keep them in the top. Then I said these are Stila, right? Yes, these are Stila liquid lipsticks. Then all of these are my ColourPop lip products. So I have some glosses, some ultra satin lips, and then some ultra matte lips as well. Then here I have my Dior lipsticks up here, which are some of my favorites. They're so nice. These are some random ones, including the Dose of Colors and the CKD lipstick. And then these are the liquid lipsticks and also the gloss from the same collection. Then here I have some ABH liquid lipsticks, and then these are full size. These are minis. And here I have some NYX what are these called? Suede, liquid suede. Yeah, liquid suede, which I really enjoy this formula. Then if I rotate to this side, I have all of my MAC lipsticks, and then these are 2 MAC liquid lipsticks, and this is a Smashbox liquid lipstick, which is the only one that I have from that brand. And then that's always happening, by the way, so don't worry about that. I'll clean that up. But we're just coming back to the first side that I showed you. And then in the top I have some glosses. Most of them are Victoria's Secret, but I do have 2 ColourPop ultra satin lips in the top that I use like the most often. The 951 ultra satin one is in the middle, and that's like my go-to. I literally wear that like every Sunday, I think. That's that tower. But now I'm going to pull out the things that are in here. All right, so here we go with part 1 of my lip products declutter videos. This is excessive. This is so much. I cannot even, like, I don't even wear lip gloss that much. Like, this is crazy. Anyway, so let's start on this side with my lip crayons because I'm not a lip crayon kind of person. Like, honestly, all I wear is liquid lipsticks and lipsticks, and then occasionally like a gloss to top it off. But other than that, and well, I do wear some lip liners sometimes, so I know that I want to keep some of those. But okay, so these, I'm actually gonna do this, I think, by brand and then by color, because I know that when I like a brand of something, then I know that I want to keep all the shades of that one product, if that makes any sense. But anyway, let's start with these from Pop Beauty. These are really nice. These are very like hydrating, and I think that's all of them. Okay, one more. These are very hydrating. They're pretty colors, but they're more like a balmy type of product, which I don't really enjoy. Like the color is very sheer and very understated, and that's just not something I'm into, so I'm getting rid of all of these. Then I have these two by Chella, and these are actually both completely new, like they're even sealed. I don't know if you can see that. I've never tried these, so I can't say anything about them, but because they're sealed and I have so much and I'm just trying to declutter, I'm just going to put these in the giveaway pile. Then I have this random one here from NYX. Again, just because I don't really wear lip crayons, I know I'm getting rid of this. I'm also getting rid of this one from Tarte. Also getting rid of this one from Laura Geller. Also getting rid of this one from Marinez. Also getting rid of this one from Julep. Then I have these random products here that are from Locket. These are cushion lip products. They're not exactly crayons, but because they look like crayons, I just have them with crayons. So these are these type of products, which I don't really use. These are just, I don't know. And then I also like reviewed these and I didn't really love them or anything like that. So I'm going to put these in the giveaway pile. And then this is a very similar product. In fact, these brands are like sister brands. So again, same thing. So I'm just putting all of these in the giveaway pile as well. Then I have these 3 lippy sticks from ColourPop. I have 2 mini ones and then a full size. I think I'm going to get rid of the mini ones. They're just like based on the colors. I think I enjoy this one more. I don't know. I kind of want to keep this one, but I think okay, for sure I'm giving this one away. But these two, I think I have to swatch like on my lips and then decide what I'll do with them. But I just want to keep one because this is not a product that I reach for a lot. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Then I have here this one from Laga, I think is the name of that. Then this one here from NARS. And then this one from Tristique. I recently spoke about this one and how impressed I was by it. So I am keeping this one. I also really like the NARS one. The way that I decide how I like crayons and then don't like crayons is depending on whether they're like pigmented or like balmy. So these are more like actual lipsticks. They apply that way. Same thing with the ColourPop ones. And then all of these by, I always forget this brand and it's the most obvious thing in the world, Nude Sticks. Yeah, so all of these by Nude Sticks are the same way. They apply more like a lipstick. So I am keeping all of those, except I think I am getting rid of like 2 or 3 just based on the colors. So this one is like a little too purple. So I'm getting rid of that one, and then I think this one is a little too light for me. So I'm also getting rid of that one, but I'm keeping the rest of them. And then keeping these 2 as well. And then this one is actually brand new. I got it in a BoxyCharm. And I remember like really liking the pictures that I saw people wearing it. So even though it's brand new, I am keeping it. It's just more of a fall shade. And fall was like forever ago, and I got this like after the fall or something like that. So because of that, I haven't really worn it, but I am keeping it. And then these, and then the Nude Sticks ones as well. All right, so here I have some random lip products. This is like a tint. These are also like tints. This one too. And then these are just like colored lip balms. I'm getting rid of all of this because I'm not really like a lip tint kind of person. I was obsessed with this for a while, but I'm actually throwing that out. It's very old and it's almost all gone. This one is like more new, and then these as well. I actually have never used this, but I'm getting rid of it. And then these shades are just not something I wear. They're like very light pink and it's just not very flattering on me. So I'm getting rid of all of these. All right, then I have here my lip liners, and this is gonna be very, very, very quick because I know that I like these from Jordana. These are super affordable. They're from the drugstore and they're very, very good. I also know that I like my ColourPop ones, so I am keeping those. And then these from MAC I'm keeping as well. And then these here, it's not that they're bad, it's just that they're just not my favorite. So I have one from NYX, one from Real Her. This one is from EB Beauty. This one is from Jante Blue. And then this one from It Cosmetics I am keeping. It's a very pretty color. So I'm getting rid of these and keeping these. I actually may get rid of this one based on the color, but I'm not sure yet. So I'll decide that later. So then I have here these squeezy tubes. This is, I literally never wear like squeezy tube products. So I am getting rid of all of these. I have these from LA Girl glazed lip paints. I got like the whole set of these back when people were saying that these were like dupes for the Too Faced thingies, but they're absolutely not. Some of these are actually brand new and I just never enjoyed them. This one is actually even sealed. So I'm getting rid of all of these. Then I have this one here from Jouer. It's nice, but again, I just don't use it. This one from Temp2 is really nice as well. This one is more of like a clear one, but again, very good, but I just don't use them. So, and then this one here is from C.O. Bigelow. Again, very pretty, but getting rid of that one. This one is actually the only one that I'm keeping. Don't go away. Stay right there. This one is the only one that I'm keeping from Express. So random, right? But I love the color of this. I love the consistency of it. And it just looks good like on top of anything. Literally, you want to make something glossy like anything you have. And this is perfect for that. So this is the only one I'm keeping because it's that good. And it also smells really good. It kind of smells like caramel or like café con leche or something like that. It's really nice. Then here I have a bunch of glosses. And this is just not... okay, all right, so I have this one here from Chanel. I am keeping this one. It's really, really pretty, and I do like it. It's also a very fun color, and the fact that it's Chanel, to be honest, just makes me want to keep it. So I am keeping this one. This one from Jouer is also a very, very, very pretty color, so I'm keeping this one as well. This little mini here from Makeup Forever, I am keeping two. This one here from Ades. It's called a liquid lipstick, but honestly, this is a lip gloss. It's very pretty, so I'm keeping it. This one from Bare Minerals, I'm also keeping. This one from Almay, I love it. So pretty, even though it's pink, but it's so beautiful. This one here from Bobbi Brown is beautiful as well, so I'm keeping that too. This one here from Miraness is such an intense lip gloss. It's more of like a gloss liquid lipstick. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what it feels like to me. The cap is broken, but it's like a second cap. But I am keeping this one. This little mini from Tarte, I'm keeping two. This is the Lip Surgeons. And then these three from NYX are colors that I really enjoy, so I'm keeping these three as well. If you want to know, these are Plush Red, Sugar Pie, and Cosmos. So I'm keeping all three of these. And then the rest of these lip glosses are going in the donation pile. And that was way easier than I thought. Let me actually just like go through these real quick and just, I guess, tell you why I'm deciding not to keep them. So these from NYX, they're really, really good, but these are colors that I just never reached for that much. I was really into like corally shades for a while, but just not anymore. I was also really into like fuchsia pink shades for a while, but not anymore. Now I'm more of a like a red, burgundy, and nude type of girl. So you'll see that like that's like mostly what I'm keeping. So that's why I'm giving these away. These from NYX are just not a product that I ever enjoyed that much. These like butter glosses, I honestly think that it's because of the shades that I've gotten, which were given to me, not purchased. But I think that if I had like a nude one of these or like a red, I would probably be keeping it because they're not bad. These from Maybelline are really, really good. But again, it's just a face that I'm not into anymore in terms of the shades. These from Pop Beauty I was obsessed with for a while. But again, this one is just not a shade that I wear that often anymore. And then this one, I love this shade. I love that, but it's pretty old at this point and I just don't use it that much anymore. So I'm just throwing this one out and then probably giving this one away because it's pretty new. So this one from Notes, I'm pretty sure this is like brand new and I never used this. It's a really pretty like shimmery red. Yeah, that's completely new as you can see. So giving that away. These are actually really, really good. Yeah, I'm keeping this one. I almost gave that away for no reason. I really like this, so I'm keeping it. And then this one from NARS, it pains me to give it away because it's so good, but again, I'm just not into like that fuchsia pink anymore. So anyway, I'm giving these away, and yeah, I guess that's the end of the declutter. Okay, so here is the result of my lip crayons, lip pencils, and glosses decluttering. Also, I just decided to declutter this one as well. And then this gloss, I just realized that it's broken, so it's leaking all over the place, so that's going to the garbage. But I compared this one, and that one, because all three are like red glosses, and I really don't need three because I don't wear that many glosses, especially when they're like bold colors like that. And I like the color of this one the best, which is the Marinette one, so that's why I'm keeping that one and then giving that one away. And then the other one's just broken, and it was the worst of the three anyway because it was the least pigmented. So if you want to know how many are in here in total, there are 94 lip products in here in total. I am keeping 36 of them, which is from here to here, and then all of these are going away, and that is 58 of them. So I'm giving away way more than what I'm keeping. So I'm super proud of that. I don't know if you can tell, but if you look at like this row, all the tones are like nudes and burgundies, and then like one red, which I am completely okay with, except for like the lip liners. There's 2 red ones, I believe. So I love this. I'm so happy with it. And yeah, I'm so excited that I'm decluttering this. I cannot wait to declutter the rest of the lip products. I'm going to insert probably in the title the number of lip products in total that I own, and then like you'll just like hear the numbers from categories, you know what I mean? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this declutter, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps my channel, and I appreciate it so much. If you're enjoying this series, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Just do it. Just subscribe. And keep in mind, just want to remind you guys that at the end of these decluttering videos, which is going to be next week, there will be a giveaway. So not next week because I'm just going to concentrate on like the declutter, but probably the week after that there will be like a giveaway announcement from the things that I decluttered that are like brand new. I've been saying this and the time has come, so I'm super excited for that. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that giveaway. And again, thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day whenever you're watching this. Bye.